Hello everyone, I'm Carmen Roca and this is the practical assignment number 1 of the Artistic Creation and Research workshop. For this first assignment, we were asked to create 2 pieces of art choosing among 3 different topics, and each piece must have been created with techniques from the early 20th century and from the last 50 years. That is why I chose, on the one hand, stereotypes using die cutting as the newest technique, and on the other hand, uncertainty using acrylic paint as an older technique. I called the first piece of art Trying to Fit, since the topic chosen was a stereotype, which is a set idea that people have about what someone or something is like, especially an idea that is wrong. With this project, I wanted to reflect this scourge of nowadays society and its impositions which causes our physical and mental health. In order to create the artistic piece, I found inspiration in this image of Thought Co. and the Nuclear album, which happened to be made with the die-cut technique. Moreover, the materials needed were pretty simple, as you can see. I also wanted to give my personal touch, so the stereotypes represented are the following: work, study, social life, and exercise. Stereotypes in which I try to fit in every day. On the other hand, since I am a pretty positive person, I gave a solution to my problem. Why not fit in all of these in one single tunnel, but prioritizing ourselves too? By that, we obtain a balanced state of mind. All of these lead to this final product, our own balanced tunnel, confronting society's false and stupid stereotypes. For the second piece of art, I chose uncertainty since I was going through a rough time facing it. Uncertainty is a situation in which something is not known or certain. That is why I decided to represent this topic using a blank canvas and acrylic paint. The idea was pretty clear, however, I took some inspiration from Dali's melting clock since I think time is closely related to this topic. To create this piece, I divided the canvas into 2 main parts. On the one hand, we have the problem itself, uncertainty, represented as a dark space and which invites all our body, mixing all kind of bad feelings, and of course, the drug clock, because all we do is wait. And on the other hand, as I said before, I am quite positive, so I did not let this uncertainty control my life, so I hung on the elements which I consider essential in my life. God, represented with a cross, family and friends, represented with colorful circles as heads, which are lights, which guide me through that darkness. Finally, this is the completed piece of art. I added some doors as a way of exiting the unfortunate thoughts and feelings that uncertainty may bring and entering brand new feelings full of understanding, affection, and light. Having said that, completing this assignment has been a profound journey of learning and self-discovery. As I reflect on the concepts explored, the techniques employed, and the insight gained, several key takeaways emerge. The assignment has underscored the significance of adaptability and flexibility in the classroom. Recognizing the diverse needs and learning styles of students requires a willingness to adjust teaching methods and approaches accordingly. By embracing innovation and experimentation, I can cultivate a supportive and inclusive learning environment that caters to the individual needs of each student. Last but not least, as I envision my future role as a teacher, I am inspired by the possibilities that lie ahead. And with the knowledge and skills acquired through this assignment, I am confident in my ability to make a meaningful impact in the lives of my students.